Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. This quote is by Peter Ustinov. The point of living is to believe the best is yet to come. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow down 68, NASDAQ off 36, S&P's down 6.5, gold contract down $11, trading at $1,092 an ounce. Silver off 3 cents at $14.75 an ounce. Light sweet crude down $1.73 at $49.13 a barrel. The oil market, folks, bottom line, not only looks like it's going to go to the 42. So the 42 is the last low that was established out here. The way it broke down today, this thing is can set up to go to $35, which would be total mind blow, but that's where it's set up. Bonds. The bonds refuse to basically get to lower price. You had the 10-year up 2 ticks today, 126.08. 30-year up 23 ticks, 153.01. They're both going for their higher swing points. King dollar is up 214 ticks, 97.64. Now, King dollar couldn't handle the swing point yesterday. Bottom line, came off it with volume, was up 470 ticks today, couldn't handle that price, down, well, it's up 214. Bottom line, King dollar wants lower price. Euro down 16 at 109.16. And you get the yen up 12 at 124.01. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. This is what you have. We take a look at the SPY. What you're looking at in the SPY is this. Pull that baby up. Okay. The SPY today, we're trading at 211.29. You did 83 million shares. Now, 83 million shares is not a lot of shares, folks, okay? Well, it was an expansion of volume, but in order to get follow through to lower price, tomorrow you're going to need more volume, expansion as we go low. I expect that's what you're going to see, but bottom line, that's what you're going to need. Inside the Dow Industrials, you did have volume come in at the close out here, so bottom line, you do have an expansion of volume as the Dow Industrial is running into lower price. NDX 100, what we also had inside the, not only the NDX 100, but inside the composite, the NASDAQ composite, you did come down on juice. We've done 33 million shares, coming into 29 million on the way down. We're trading out at 112.62. The swing point to get back inside the lower range is approximately, well, it's $1.50 lower. Today we're down $1.29. After the close out here, we have Qualcomm come out with numbers. Qualcomm is trading out at, well, let's see. Qualcomm closed at a price point, Qualcomm closed at 64.19. She's trading at 64.70. This stock's not going anywhere, folks, except down. This is the number on Qualcomm. So they are doing $1.4 billion in spending cuts. They're cutting 15% of their workforce. That's always a problem, folks. That's the bottom line. So we'll see where this whole thing does shake out. We got a lot of numbers coming out after the close for you. The next one out here, FFIV. Let's take a look at FFIV. FFIV closed at 118. That's trading at 125 right now. Let's got some action underneath it. So let's see what they have to say. This is F5 Networks. Okay, so they see, let's see, the September quarter. Well, let me get you the numbers first. So their net was $93 million, $93.2 million. Their estimate was $1.60. They came in with $1.67. Their revenue was up 10%, $483 million. That's got a nice bounce. Well, let's see if it's a bounce or just that it wants to go higher. So 118 to 126. That's where F5 went. I see. Yeah, it already came off the highs with some juice. Okay, so We are right back up at those highs. We put this on, let me put this on a monthly basis for a second. Let's see. First, we'll put it on a weekly first and see what we're shaking out. So weekly basis, oh, I see. Yep. Okay, so here's the downdraft, folks. When this came down in January, it was vicious. The high of that downdraft was 127. Come down to 15 million shares, went from 127 to 106. That's all it's doing is bouncing right back into that area once again. That's pretty intense, man. That is intense, no doubt. No two ways about that. That more than likely is a dead cat bounce coming right into that area. Crush, CRUS. This is Cirrus Logic. Cirrus Logic, let's see. So let's put this on a 10-minute also. Cirrus Logic, CRUS. They're getting some numbers out here. That closed at $30.50. That's trading. That was down $1.60. Now it's up $2.60 coming into the close. But there's, oh, look at this. There's no life for Cirrus Logic. Wait till you see this. This is an ABC down. This is pretty cool. It'll be a complex ABC down. But what it did today is that it took out the B point, took it out with volume. We went down with, we had 3.3 million shares, taking out the price point of 30.53 with 2.2. What you have after the close here is that you're going to, we'll probably just fill in that gap. 33.33. 33.33 gets you just over that high. Yeah, it's the top of the consolidation. So there's not much action there also. Gold contract. Let's go take a look at gold. What gold has been doing out here, folks, is that you had that spike low Sunday night. We reached today, I believe we reached, let me just look this. We're trading at the 1093. Gold had reached 1085, 168,000 contracts. So it's light volume going into it. We're so close to it, it still could get hit. The 1080 area, you know. You certainly didn't have the juice on the way down out there. Bonds. Now, let me pull up this bond market for you. When you see this bond, it's pretty amazing, folks. The bond market right now, USU 5. This baby just does not want to back down. You got over the trading range of the last week and a half. So we're at 153.01. Now, this is saying that this is going to go after 154.23. The real key, of course, is that is it going to have the volume to take that level out. What has happened is that as you got up to this 154.23, there's real juice. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming back with some more numbers. Dow down 68. NASDAQ off 36. S&P's off 6.5. We're going to be right back.